Just making a quick video here. There's the seams. Let's focus here. Alright, so we're pulling the seam out. You can obviously see that probably moved because the drywall is not secure enough. So we'll show you right now. Is it? No. See how it's moving? See the drywall's moving? Okay, so that's not secure enough. And then you go over here and see that seam? It's popped out. Now it's fine. It's fine till you get to about here. Well, there's a section right there out too, but then you get to here and you see that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it right here. Peel whatever we gotta peel out. Okay, so we got it started. Pull the paper out. And we can stop right about there. Pull this side and cut it already, so. Right there.